Go GAT here at Silverwood. Another beautiful day, a Friday.
Yeah.
Getting a list of the little Tejano music.
We took the day off.
Took the day off. Got ourselves a new fishing rod here, ladies and gentlemen. It's my first bait casting rod ever.
Oh my God.
I know, it is a picture.
Or something, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Got the beautiful
Little inlet there. Oh, he's coming up, he's coming up. Look at that. Ah, he's running.
oh, there we go.
Woohoo!
Mr. James Brown on the bass, ladies and gentlemen, at Silverwood at 8 o'clock. Uh-oh.
Come on up.
Let's see ya.
Come on up.
Let's see ya.
Yeah, at least want to see it.
Hopefully it's not a catfish. Nope, it's a bass. Not a big bass, but a good bass. And took it on the
6-pound line.
Took it on the
Popper.
on the popper there, the hula hula hula. He's coming. There we go. There we go.
Yes.
Oh, got him kind of foul hooked, but
No, he's got it in his front lip, right where he belongs.
oh,
Woohoo! Come on, baby.
looks like he's need a little help, Jim.
No, I got it.
That's a nice fish.
That's a beauty. I did get him.
Looks like he's got a little sore there.
Oh!
That's a nice fish. Yay, James Brown has lost the skunk.
The skunk is off.
Let's get a picture of that guy too. Nice.
There we go.
Mr. James Brown and fish. Beautiful. James Brown on fish number 2. Oh, it's a striper.
Is it?
Yep.
I'll be damned.
Stripey.
Well, that's a half a point. Or 3 demerits, however.
Yeah. There we go.
Gone.
Fish number 2. Wow, that's $2. They fight. Yeah, no, they're. I don't mind them. I don't mind them. So, do I keep dicking around here, or do I switch? What do I have? I don't think I have anything like that. Whoa. Me.
Huh?
Me.
Way out there?
Over there. Yeah.
Oh.
You see the beautiful reflection in the water of the mountain. Sun's getting ready to come up. Or over. Rescue that bottle. Able to get where I need to go. Just
Wow, come on. Caught him right off that point.
number 3. Jim's in for $3 here if he gets this fish in the boat. Where is it?
I don't think it's a striper.
Nope.
Ooh,
That's a. Looks like largie.
come on.
And what'd you get it on? Oh, no, it's another striper.
Friggin' striper.
Hey.
Two more demerits.
That's a bigger one, though.
Oh, yes.
That's a nice
no
one.
wonder he fought.
That's a big guy. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Strapper time. Strapper time. You want a picture?
Yeah.
That's a nice one. Let's do one more.
All right.
Well, shit, you're having all the fun here. It's about time, you know?
I wasn't going to say that.
It's about time.
I went through a dry spell there.
Yes, sir.
I knew it wasn't me. Where are we going?
You told me we're going across the lake.
All right. We're going to Fish City.
All right. World famous Captain J. Proud.